Hi everyone. Hi guys. I'm Bart. I'm head ecosystem at Casper Network, and my main responsibility is to grow the ecosystem of Casper, which is mainly coming to looking for partnerships, looking for opportunities, and supporting teams building on top of Casper. But if I need to break it down, how this job looks like on a daily basis, I would say it's mainly connecting the dots. Why I say it's connecting the dots? Because for me, it's like really looking for needs and beyond the defining strategies to meet these needs. It's really pushing to make the network effect and connect these dots, which is very important to have the wide options. For me, it works really like communication between nodes in the blockchain architecture, but it's the most important key is to find the consensus between these nodes. So how to gather these dots to have the wide range of options. For me, attending conferences like this works best because you can have open discussions, you can meet projects, you can meet businesses, and then with the wide range of options, you can really connect these needs with opportunities and push forward for growth. So this is why at Casper we launched 25 million grant program to support builders on their development efforts on Casper. So only in the last year we received more than 500 applications. And we successfully granted 40 projects which are currently developing in the background of Casper. And I'm also building something which I can call an accelerator. Together with my team, we are inviting partners also outside of Casper ecosystem, because grant funding is not enough for projects that need to go to market. So they need to cover many more needs, which are, for example, contact to launchpads, text exchanges, market makers, marketing agencies, and the whole this network that we are building is potentially available for projects that are being supported in Casper grant program. We are also very active in regards of organization of the developer meetups, where we can listen feedback about our stack. Last one in Istanbul that we organized was happening on November. We are planning to do the next one in October. So if you're interested, if you're a developer about Casper Stack, please follow our socials. We'll announce the conference for our community and developers, which will happen here in Istanbul again. We are also building our brand awareness on almost all major conferences in blockchain space. The next big one that you can meet us will be Token 2049 in Singapore. This is how does look Casper Network on world map. So in regards of the validators, this is not actually up-to-date data. I believe today we have 97 active validators and next 97 bidding in auctions to validate the blocks. In regards of the Casper token, token ticker CSPR, 95% of the whole total supply is already released in circulation, and 60% of it is already staked. So the only inflation is coming from the staking rewards, because the consensus is proof of stake, so validators are getting rewards in Casper token, and the API for it is about 13%. Market cap to fully diluted valuation is about 0.95, which is like the proof of almost all released tokens to the market. In regards of the ecosystem, Casper was built in a focus of enterprise and institutional adoption. So the stack that we prepared was mainly designed to meet the needs from the institutions, but we are slowly and steady also growing our stack to onboard more end-user-oriented applications. So I would say, even though that the end-user ecosystem is at an early stage, we have the strong guardrails and foundations to almost all branches of the industry for layer one. So like we have the apps in gaming, NFTs, DeFi, we have first bridges, wallets. You can check all the details on our website in /ecosystem. We have even our own stablecoin, so we are growing with the app environment. In regards of the developer tools, we released the new set of new tools to remove friction for developers to build on top of Casper. Our smart contract language is Rust, and and to mention the most important tools in our opinion, which are simplifying the job for developers to build on top of Casper, will be for sure Odra framework, which is the big library of ready code that can be reused to build the apps on Casper. The same, the whole suite from Make, which is our strategic partner. They are delivering Casper Cloud, Casper Click, which is a lot of ready infrastructure to be used by developers to focus really on their product, not only on the key and core features of reading blockchain. Casper is also heading to the major upgrade from our release of Mainnet, which happened more than 3 years ago. It will be really a big change for us. We are assigning a lot of development efforts for this upgrade because we will even change our consensus. It will be simplified. It will enable validation of blocks that can be faster. We are bringing to the table also a novel transaction model, which effectively for the end user will remove the cost of using Casper blockchain. So instead of spending Casper token for executing your transaction, you don't need to pay for gas anymore. You still have to have Casper token, but you'll send it with the transaction. And then after a certain amount of time, it will be returned to your account. So effectively, the cost for the end user of Casper will be zero. And in regards of the other upgrades in Condor, we are also increasing permissions for smart contracts, which are enabling much bigger potential, for example, in DeFi applications. And the upgrade will happen in 2 months from now. In regards of the new protocol, I believe there is a lot of space for innovation, and I think like a lot of you will agree with me that artificial intelligence is one of the most exciting technology now on the market. And according to the Forbes survey, 64% of businesses believes that implementing of artificial intelligence will help them to increase their productivity. But when we look at the most popular AI tools available on the market, their hallucination ratio is as high as 20%, which means you can really not believe if the output that you're receiving from the AI tool, and 75% of responders reported misinformation coming from AI tools. So I would say that artificial intelligence has a great potential, but there are still not resolved issues with this technology, which are around training data quality, questions around AI ethics, and also audibility of AI models. So this is why Casper Labs decided to partner with IBM Consulting to deliver a blockchain tool which is called Prove AI that will help to increase transparency and audibility in AI systems. So Prove AI, it's a product that will be released in the next month. And it's a government tool that will allow you to monitor and track the training data of AI models. So with Proof AI and Casper, you can securely and transparently store AI training data on top of Casper blockchain, which can help you to address questions around issues with AI model, why something went wrong, when it happened, and how to fix it. And in regards of combination between AI model, Proof AI, and Casper blockchain, thanks to our unique features, you can also control access to the certain data in the AI, which is very important from the perspective of institutions and organizations. And moreover, Casper-based smart contracts can detect, for example, any deviation from the AI model from the intended behavior, which means Casper smart contract can work as a killer switch for AI model and stop it in the version that it's waiting for the to be fixed. And Proof AI on Casper helps to solve issue with a black box problem. So black box problem in AI models, it's the issue which actually it's hard to answer why AI model gives you certain output from the prompt that you say. So we know that the deterministic answer is always the same, but how the model gets to the conclusion that this should be the answer for you, it's kind of a black box. So with transparency that Proof AI gives you, with registering all the steps of the AI model, you're able to verify why the AI model took such a decision. And AI models are also storing or handling a big amount of data, which is leading to risks such as like data breaches and lack of transparency and visibility of this data can be extremely risky for the organizations. For example, when you think about use case for the insurance company, which has implemented AI system, and then AI bot is checking the application of the client that want to have the insurance, and this person was rejected by AI model because of its ethnicity or religion, then it's a serious issue. With Casper and Proof AI, you can record all the training data of this AI model and verify why AI model made this wrong decision, which is not compliant with regulations, and fix it. And with data and version control, you can come back to the latest version of the model which was good and fix this model to improve it for the next steps. Casper Network has also a hybrid architecture. So we have a public network which is called Casper, but partnering with IBM, we are also building private networks for enterprise clients. So AI systems and Proof AI can benefit from the security of the public blockchain, but the most fragile and storage-heavy data can be stored on the private, in the private environment, and this hybrid architecture is helping to also control the access to the data for end user. This is why one of the reasons why Grayscale AI, which is a company leading in the quality control and inspection for packages, goods in supply chains, decided to use Proof AI on top of Casper. So their equipment, it's live on in food industries on the production lines. And they're making a lot of X-ray pictures on the production lines of the food. And then their AI models are trained to scan the production line. And if the food will be contaminated, AI model it's deciding about stopping the production. And last week, they start utilizing Casper blockchain with minting their AI training data on top of Casper mainnet. Even now, when I'm speaking to you, NFTs with these data storages are being minted on Casper, and they have trackability and a tool that it's safety guardrail for them. If something will go wrong, they can easily go back and check the whole data storage, which is tamper-proof at Casper and decentralized on the whole blockchain. So nobody can really say that Grayscale AI has manipulating the data because it's stored on the blockchain. So this is one of the most real use cases of blockchain that we already have at Casper, and it's just a footprint of the official launch of Proof AI product that will happen next week. Sorry. So if you are a developer, if you think why it is worth to join Casper ecosystem, I would say we are still a young ecosystem. So building on top of Casper, you can have easily the first mover advantage and you can be a blue chip project for our community. We can give you also support with grants. We can share with you our network of contacts to help you go to the market to accelerate your great idea. And you can have also exposition for enterprise. So if you want to hear a bit more insights, you can scan me, you can reach out to me on Telegram, on LinkedIn, or you can just visit our booth, which is near the entrance, and we can have the discussion. If you like what we are doing, let's connect the dots. Thank you.